Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to combine two light guide plates to a luminaire featuring independently switchable light effects. Okay, let's start with the basics. Generally we need three things for our light guide layer lamp. We need two light guide plates which are made of polycarbonate. Then we need some LED stripes which we will use to in-couple light at the edges of the light guide plate. And the third thing that we need is an out-coupling structure. In the model here you see some prisms, but in our case we will use some scratches in the light guide plate which disturb the total internal reflection when the light is propagating through the light guide plate. Let's take a look at some light rays. Here you see an LED which is shining into the light guide plate. From the ray path you can see that the light is reflected from the front side to the back side. Light is traveling in a zigzag path through the light guide plate. In the side view you see that the light is trapped within the light guide plate. And these reflections from the side wall, they can also be observed in the front view. Here you can see that the light is also reflected from the smaller side walls. So again, the light from the LED is trapped within the light guide plate. What we have to do now is to extract the light from the light guide plate. For the light extraction, we need some extraction features. In the model here, you see some prisms. These prisms, they are disturbing the zigzag path of the light rays. And these disturbances are causing some light rays to exit the light guide plate. Especially in the side view you can see in the region of the prisms, light is exiting the light guide plate. In our case we will not use prisms, we will use scratches. Alright, enough with the theory. Let's get practical. So at first we have to prepare our out-coupling structure. Here I'm preparing some letters that we will grind out from the light guide plate. Now I'm taking the second light guide plate and I am applying the out-coupling structure to the back side of this light guide plate, and therefore the letters have to be mirrored. Okay, before we glue these two light guide plates together, let me explain a little bit about total internal reflection. total internal reflection only works when we have widely differing refractive indices between the surrounding material and the light guiding material. Or to put it in other words, when we glue these two light guide plates together, we have to make sure that the glue has a very different refractive index than the light guiding material. Therefore, I choose polycarbonate as light guiding material with a refractive index of 1.59 and silicone as a glue, because silicone has a low refractive index of 1.4. Let's find out whether the gluing worked well. Here I'm switching on the LEDs of the lower light guide plate, and you can see light is traveling only in the lower light guide plate and the upper one stays dark. That means everything is working as expected.